Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This 3-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, automatic climate control, and cruise control.